Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making homemade biscuits with sausage gravy. So I hope you enjoy the video and thank you so much for watching. Okay, so we're going to make some homemade biscuits this morning. You start out with 2.5 cups of self-rising flour. And then 1/4 a cup of vegetable shortening. And I always keep my vegetable shortening in the fridge so it'll be good and cold. Just makes for a lighter, fluffier biscuit. Alright, now we're gonna cut the shortening in. I might add just a little bit more, so. That was another tablespoon. You want your flour to be crumbly before you add the milk. Okay. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. A little bit more to make it just a little bit wetter consistency. And in the oven I have it preheating for 425 and I have a cast iron skillet that I'm going to be putting these in. Let me get the skillet. This is really warm, so I'm going to add a little bit of butter to the bottom. So a nice crust. I'm going to roll these a little bit thicker. We're going to put a little bit of melted butter on the top. Squeeze one more in there. Right, in the oven for about 20 minutes. Okay, here we're going to brown up about 5 slices of breakfast sausage. And I put about a tablespoon of butter in here. We're going to be making sausage gravy. We're going to let this get brown, and then we'll add our flour. And I use evaporated milk in mine to make it like a cream gravy. Okay, so now that the sausage is browned, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. Mix that around and let it cook and get rid of that raw flour taste. And if you don't have enough oil in there from the sausage, you can add a little extra butter or vegetable oil, whatever you want to use. Alright, now we're going to add in our cream. Stir this around till it starts to thicken, and we may have to add some milk. Then at this point we'll add just a little bit of salt. Most of your sausage has salt in it anyway, so you don't have to add a whole lot. And some pepper. Alright, I'm going to check on our biscuits. Yep, they are almost done. This takes just a minute to thicken. For years, I did not like sausage gravy. It had to be bacon. I guess it's true. The older you get, your taste buds change or something, because this is one of my favorite. And our biscuits will be done in 2 minutes. And I think I'm going to go ahead and switch them over to broil. And I'm going to turn this up. Just let it cook for a minute. Our biscuits are looking good. I'll move them up top so they'll get done quicker. Let's check them. Alright, here they are. I'll brush them with some melted butter in just a minute. And it took exactly 20 minutes. Okay, so now we're thickening. Add just a little bit more pepper. just a couple tablespoons of milk. It's getting a little thick. Okay, everything's done, and we're gonna plate up, show you what these biscuits look like. Here we go. Nice and flaky. Like, the gravy thickened. There we go. Nice big plate of biscuits and gravy. Okay, I want to show you how I like my biscuits. So I got a nice fluffy one. Here is a jar of blackberry jam that I canned last year. It's nice and thick. There's a blackberry biscuit, and then here is fresh sourwood honey, and this is so good. I just like to dip a thin biscuit. That's why there's two different sizes. Some of us like thick, some of us like thin. Here you go. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you'll try these recipes, and I hope you have a blessed day.